Hi, I'm Elida Risu, Associate Professor, SNS College of Physiotherapy, SNS Institutions. SNS Institutions is the first Indian institution to implement and patent the design thinking concept to incorporate into the education system. Our SNS institutions use design thinking as a core framework to foster innovation, problem solving, and an entrepreneurship mindset in students. This human centered approach involves the five key stages, which is emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. The institution integrates design thinking across its curriculum and infrastructure, including its innovation hub and spine, to help students develop skills and create solutions for real world issues. Core components of design thinking at SNS: a human centered approach. Design thinking emphasizes understanding user, placing them at the center of the design process. The five stages. That means SNS institutions structure their approach around the five fundamental phases of design thinking. Emphasize understanding the needs, challenges, and emotions of the users. One. Then define. Clearly articulate the problem or challenge based on the insights, gaining the empathy phase. The next stage of design thinking will be ideate. Brainstorm a wide range of potential solutions without initial limitations. The next fourth stage will be prototype and testing. This is to create low-cost, scaled-down versions of solutions to explore feasibility of the product what we are actually trying to manufacture. Then the next will be testing. Evaluate the prototypes in real-world conditions and gather feedback for refinement. Next, there will be a focus on innovation and entrepreneurship. Wait, I need to say something about this. In SNS institutions, we actually not only teach and educate what it is already in the book. Actually, we are trying to make the common mindset to transform into entrepreneurship. That is the basic principle behind all these things. Okay, now I'm coming to the concept again. I focus on innovation and entrepreneurship. The goal is to build an entrepreneurial mindset in students, enabling them to innovate and create value throughout their lives. Supporting infrastructure we have already. SNS has established facilities like the Innovation Hub and the Spine to provide an environment for students to experiment, collaborate, and bring ideas into real life. We not only stop there, actually we have real life application in practice into our institution. First, how we are applying that in our curriculum. Design thinking is integrated into curriculum to provide a structured framework for learning, collaboration, and problem solving. Especially for the students who are studying in allied health institutions, nursing, pharmacy, and physiotherapy, which we are already, we have patient-centered learning. In institutions like the SNS College of Allied Health Science, design thinking helps focus on the patient, allowing students to conduct research on health conditions and provide therapy for the patient's perspective directly. Then skill development. The methodology equips students with a mindset that is adaptable, resourceful, and capable of tackling challenges, which enhances their employability. From this entire thing, you would have understood the basic core value of our institution would be sincerity, nobility, and service. The vision of our institution is building an entrepreneurial mindset through our design thinking framework. In our design thinking concept, we have a 5 pillars framework in which Center for Learning and Teaching, in which practice design thinking based academic learning and teaching. The second one will be skill and career development, in which we build life skills, that means cognitive, social, and emotional, through various clubs and contests. Then the third will be Center for Creativity, which provides hands-on experiences to solve key industrial problems through latest technologies and industries. Then the next one, the fourth will be Industry Institute Partnership Cell, which connects and learn business sense of top industries. Then the fifth one, but important thing is social responsibility initiatives, That means it gives back to the society through social services. That is, which is the main motto behind all human beings. In order to implement all these things, we are maintaining a 3P cultures. What is that 3P culture? P, purpose, P, process, and P, people. This is the 3P culture we follow in our SNS institution. The tagline is redesigning common mind and business towards excellence. Finally, I would like to end up by saying this. We don't teach talented students, but we produce talented entrepreneurs. Thank you.